Hi everyone! This is Ed's Realty Guide PH. Naghahanap ka ba ng condominium na siguradong mapapaupahan ng long term sa halagang 35,000 to 50,000 depending on the interior na gagawin sa unit? Meron kaming condominium located at Mall of Asia which is Short Tree Residences. Bagong condominium siya ng SMDC. Pwede mo siyang paupahan ng long term, less hassle, 35 to 50,000 for 26 square meter. Siguradong mapapaupahan siya kasi kami mismo is nag-handle kami ng leasing ng long term. And kung gusto mo namang ipa-daily yung unit mo, meron kaming good stay na nag-handle kung ikaw ay based abroad. Kung daily mo siyang mapapaupahan, or let's say sosolohin mo yung pagpaparent ng daily, let's say 2,000 a day times 31 days, that is 62,000. That is the low season. Paano kung peak season? So let's say 3,000 to be conservative times 31 days, that is 93,000. Ang pwede mong kitain pag peak season. Paano naman kung hindi siya napuno yung calendar ko in 1 month? So, for example, 2,000 times 20 days, that is 40,000. Low season na yan at hindi ka fully booked sa isang buwan. Safe pa rin yung investment mo kasi ang Mall of Asia naman, we all know na well-known area siya. Kilalang kilala siya ng mga OFW working abroad. Andyan yung ating arena pag may mga concert. Fully book lahat ng mga naka-staycation dyan kasi ang daming nanonood ng concert kasi international concert yung hiniheld dyan mostly. And meron din tayong SMX convention. Pag may mga seminar, dyan hiniheld and also party, Christmas party, event, dyan hiniheld sa SMX. And meron din tayong IKEA and also yung Mall of Asia pa lang natin, ang dami ng tao, pasyalan siya hanggang sa likod sa Bay Area at ini-extend pa nila ang Mall of Asia. Kaya marami talagang tao na pumupunta dyan. And pag mga balikbayan, mas pinipili nilang mag-check-in sa Mall of Asia. Kasi gusto nilang mamasyal. Dun pa lang kasi sa Mall of Asia area, sa Pasay, ang dami ng pasyala. Nandyan na yung 3 biggest casino natin, Okada, Soler, and City of Dream. Then marami ding mga malls, mga high-end malls, nandyan din nearby. Yung Parkwa na bagong open. Then nandyan din yung Mall of Asia by the Bay, and lahat ng mga kainan nandyan na. Lahat ng mga shops nandyan na rin. Then mga shoppings nandyan na rin. Meron din tayong Lux Duty Free. Actually, lahat ng gusto mong puntahan dyan sa Mall of Asia, let's say balikbayan ka and short lang yung time mo, mamamasyal ka, hindi ka na lalayo, hindi ka na matatraffic kasi solve ka na sa Mall of Asia area. Ang maganda pa pala dito sa Short Tree Residences, we offer rent-to-own promo. Reservation fee is only 50,000. As of now kasi, nag-price increase na yung reservation namin sa high-rise building. Pero deductible pa rin naman yan dun sa amount. Yung down payment to move in is 340,000. Monthly amortization start around 28,000 peso. Rent-to-own na yon. Once na-reach mo na yung 2 months monthly amortization, magiging eligible ka na per turnover sa Short Tree Residences. So, pwede mo nang parentahan yung unit mo at pwede mo nang i-start yung rental investment. Ang requirements lang to avail a unit is valid ID like passport or driver's license. Kung based abroad ka, we can set a Zoom presentation. Mostly of our client is based abroad. And pwede naman naming isend sa inyo yung form na pipil-upan. And fill out nyo lang yon sa PDF. And you can send it back to us via email. And attach nyo lang yung valid ID. The reservation fee can pay via iPay88 using credit card. Very safe yon kasi directly payable siya kay SMDC. Pwede ring bayaran via GCash payment kung meron kang GCash, video online, BPI, acquire via online, DragonPay, wire transfer, marami tayong ways how to pay the reservation fee. Pwede nating pag-usapan how to avail a units here in Shore 3 Residences. And sa Mall of Asia, marami tayong mga project dyan na condo units. We have S Residences, Shell Residences, C Residences, Sale Residences kung gusto nyo mas bigger sizes yung unit at mas upgraded na yung amenity. Marami tayong mga condo na pagpipilian dito sa Mall of Asia. Yung Shore 3 Residences pa lang yung na-discuss ko sa inyo. Anyway, pwede naman nating pag-usapan ang full details ng property na ino-offer namin sa Bay Area. We are selling 60 condo units all over Philippines. So marami tayong choices. Again guys, this is Ed's Realty Guide PH. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And see you from my next vlog for more updates about real estate investing. See ya!